Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Wannan shine video namu na 28 a cikin wannan series da muke mai suna Koyi Javascript. Kamar yadda na faɗa, insha Allahu zan yi bayani akan Javascript tun daga farko har zuwa gwargwado abin da ya kamata a ce mutum ya sani a ciki. Idan ba za ku manta ba, video namu na ƙarshe mun yi bayani akan mathematical method na maximum, yadda za ka yi returning maximum value in a range of data da kake da ita. Yau insha Allah abinda za mu yi bayani kai, za mu bayani kan ɗaya daga cikin wannan mathematical method da muke bayani kai, wanda ake kira square root. Square root. Me ake nufi da square root? Most of the people fail to understand what this square root is all about. I'm sorry, ba math na karanta ba, but bayan da zai na square root sai ka dan tsaya ga mutum ya tsaya fahimci abin da ake nufi square root. Square root value ne ko number ce wanda duk lokacin da aka yi multiplying wannan number da kanta zai bada number, zai bada wannan value in. I'm sorry, I don't know if you understand it. It's just a value. When multiplied by itself, it will give the number. So, for example, now let me just give a example of this square root. Da yau idan mutum insha Allah ya ga square root ko ya ji an ce square root, zai fahimci me ake nufi da square root. For example, 10 times 10. Idan muka multiply in 10 times 10, it will be 100. So, square root of 100 is 10. That's automatic. 3 times 3 is 9. Square root of 9 is 3. 2 times 2 is 4. Square root of 4 is 2. So that was square root is all about. So we are going to talk about this mathematical function na square root. Idan muka rubuta number kawai zai ba mu square root nata automatic. Shine abun da zamu yi yau insha Allah. So I'm just going to create a variable a and just say, for example, okay, let me just collect data. Let me just say window.prompt. Window.prompt. So I'm going to say enter a number. So I'm just going to enter a number, then I will say document.write. So inside this, I will just create the math function of square root, Sqrt. That's the square root. So I'm just going to say a. I'm returning the a value because that's what we want. So like this. So now if I refresh, it will ask me to enter a number. If I refresh, for example, if I put 100, it will give me 10 because like I told you, 10 times 10 it will be 100. So for example, if I say for example 90, 9.48 times 9.48, it will give us 90. So all this is what this square root is all about. So if I say 80, it will give you this. If I said for example 9, like I say 9 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. So if I say for example 4, 2 times 2 is 4. So 2 is the square root of 4. So if I say for example whatever number, just think of anything. If you say 5 times 5 is 25. So if you say 25, then square root of 25 is 5. So this is what square root is all about. So you can get this square root by using the mathematical method of square roots inside JavaScript, which is very, very easy. Kuma, I hope from today square root ba zai taya muku da hankali ba. 6 times 6 is 36. So square root of 36 is 6. You don't need to bother yourself. When you put 36, it will give you 6 because 6 times 6 is what? Is this. So 100 times 100, I don't know. 100 times 100, it will be I don't know. 100 times 100 is what? I don't know what 100 times 100 is. Maybe 10,000. So if you say 10,000, it will be 100. So square root of 10,000 is 100. So like this, all this, whatever you want to get the square root of it, 50 times 50 to give you 5,000. So you say square root of 5,000, it will give you 5,000. It will give you no, 50 times 50 is not 5,000. What is 50 times 50? I don't know 50 times 50. So I don't know what's 50 times 50. So think of anything, something time like that. So just put it. Maybe 500, it will be this. So square root of 500, I don't know. Square root of 50 times 50, I don't know. 50 times 50. Please, somebody should help. So just put anything, whatever you put, whatever you multiply, and it give you the answer to that number. That's the square root of that particular number. So when you say, for example, yeah, I can recall this 50 times 50 will be 25. So this 25, square root of 25 will be 50. So any number that you multiply by 7 to give you that number, that's the square root of that whole number. So it's very simple. I know this is very easy for you, so please try as much as you can to work with the square root, and square root will help you a lot, and you will do a lot with the square root. So I think nan za mu tsaya insha Allah cikin wannan video, da fatar Allah ka samu dace. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.